Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create removing tags in CapCut for PC. Alright, I'm just going to add tags. Let's select text and select the default text. Change the text for example. Alright, how you can create removing tags. So I'm just going to using the keyframe, so just scroll down and select the position and size. So right here you can select the keyframe, just click and swipe to the right and just for the position of the text to as before, right, and so on. So you can do until the end of the video. Alright, so this is the final. So, oops, right. Alright, this is the final result you have on your video. So simple. That's how you can create the moving tags on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys.